Welcome to the first Cyber Newcomers Event. A key aim of today is to help you get to know your colleagues from other countries.
It's an emerging area, learning so much about all the tools and techniques to use.
Because it's cool.
I just find it really interesting, really fascinating. It's the future, it's definitely going to be the future.
We are making the world more secure.
It allows me to diversify myself and my own skill set, in both professionally and personally, outside of that, and it's good.
I believe is you can learn about the emerging threats and you can try and deal with them.
I think it's all working together for that common goal of, teamwork, and the "we are one" Airbus kind of value, I think, is really important.
To be part of Airbus is to be part of today's innovation, to be part of something that is building the future, that is building the present.